Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilets shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. Apply it to sunburned skin, and you'll feel the difference. The pain and burning will ease almost immediately. This is a brilliant trick my aunt told me about. Shaving foam can save your skin when you have a sunburn. It's not just a product for a smooth shave, but also an effective remedy for painful burns. Shaving foam soothes pain and speeds up the healing process. While there are many shaving foams on the market, menthol foam works best for sunburns. If you overdo it with the sun while on vacation, reach into your husband's toiletry bag and grab his shaving foam. Shake it well and apply a thick layer directly to the burned area. Use enough to cover all the red skin. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off in the shower. Repeat this process over the next few days. Shaving foam contains ingredients that cool and moisturize the skin, providing instant relief. It creates a protective barrier that prevents further damage and retains moisture. You'll quickly find that nothing works better for sunburn than menthol shaving foam. Press the foam into the egg container. Do this on one side of the box and spread it evenly. Now add food coloring in your chosen colors, creating colorful spots. Then, take a long toothpick and gently swirl the colors. Mix carefully so the colors merge, but don't fully blend together. Dip the egg into the colorful foam. Slowly turn it, making sure the entire surface is covered. Set it aside for a few minutes to let the colors set. After a while, rinse the egg under cool water. Look at how beautiful it is. These eggs will be perfect for your holiday table, a quick and effective way to dye eggs. Get the kids involved in this creative fun. Apply shaving foam to the shower head. You'll definitely thank me for this trick that will transform the look of your bathroom in just a few minutes. Squeeze shaving foam onto the shower set surfaces and spread it evenly across the entire surface. It may seem simple, but the result will truly surprise you. Let the foam sit for a few minutes. Then take a damp cloth and gently wipe everything down, removing dirt and any leftover foam. Once you finish cleaning the shower surface, thoroughly clean the shower head from any remaining foam. Rinse everything with water, paying special attention to the shower set to make sure all foam and buildup are completely removed. Finally, polish all surfaces with a paper towel so the shower shines like new and the shower head is free from buildup, ensuring perfect water flow. You'll see how much the entire shower changes in appearance. You can also apply shaving foam to the faucet to help remove water stains and buildup. Spread it evenly over the faucet surface and wait a few minutes for the foam to absorb the dirt. Then wipe the surface with a damp cloth to remove all grime and residue. Shaving foam works thanks to its ability to break down grease and dirt, making buildup much easier to remove. Instead of using expensive cleaning products, try this simple home trick. Apply shaving foam with a paintbrush. Turns out shaving foam has a hidden use you probably haven't heard of. Grab a regular paintbrush, nothing fancy, squirt a generous amount of shaving foam onto the bristles, enough to cover them completely. Now that your brush is loaded up, it's ready to work magic. Flip it over and start spreading the foam across your shower tiles and stall. Shaving foam acts like a whipped soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it cleans remarkably well. It clings to surfaces. No dripping like most cleaners. You'll be able to get into every nook and cranny, even the tough-to-reach spots. Just a few strokes with the brush, and the foam will spread evenly over any grime or buildup. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then simply rinse everything with running water and wipe it down with a dry cloth. This will dry the surfaces without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice the tiles and bathroom surfaces shine, no scrubbing, no elbow grease. And the fresh, clean scent that lingers? That's a bonus. It really works. Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an anti-static effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it. Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable.